In a world where precision matters, where innovation drives progress, there stands a name you can trust. HORA. A German family business with over 58 years of experience. Development, design, and production in Germany by the brightest minds in the region, with a focus on sustainable manufacturing. An annual turnover of over 60 million euros in the global business, and an export rate of over 65%. Sophisticated control valve technology and custom-made specialized fittings with unparalleled quality, made for demanding customers. Optimal solutions for power generation, process technology, gas applications, and building technology. An innovative digital ordering and design process. CNC, turning and milling, welding, painting, assembly, and quality control, all under one roof. Made in Germany. Whatever your needs may be, wherever you are, we will reach you and ship all over the world. HORA, your partner for performance.